talk about business intelligence, I can say that it plays a very crucial role for the revenue management of a hotel business. There are several ways BI can actually help the hotel business. For this, Techno Exponent will develop customized BI tool that will gather the information from different sectors like different booking platforms, market trends, customer reviews, and then it will whip all the data from the reports and dashboards, and will spill the beans on how people book or how full the rooms are and how the cash flow is doing over the time. And by understanding these demand fluctuations, the BI tool will help the hotel to maximize the revenue during the peak periods, and also it will help the hotel business give a competitive price to its customers during the low demand period. And this is a very important thing. The BI tool made by Techno Exponent plays a role like wizard predicting how many people will be knocking on the hotel's door. They look at the past numbers, what happens during different seasons, and even check out on what's going on around the town. And when hotels catch on to how demand goes up and down, these BI tools play it very smart with the pricing. They jack up the rates when everyone's flocking in during the busy times to make some serious cash. But when things are quieter and folks aren't exactly knocking at the door, they throw out killer deals to stay in the game. The BI tool made by Techno Exponent, it is not just snooping on the competition. It is, what it is doing, it is like your secret agent keeping an eye on your rival hotel business. They keep an eye on what rival hotels are charging to their customers and how they're strutting their stuff in the market. And armed with this intel, your hotel can then tweak its prices and marketing game to stay in the ring, snag the customers, and grab a piece of the market pie. So the BI tool we make for our clients in hotel industry works as a magic wand for them. It helps them break down their customers into different groups. You have got the demographics, how people like, and how people book. Once they got that sorted, hotels can then go all out customizing their ads and prices for each group. It's like giving each type of customer exactly what they want, and that's the secret sauce for raking in the cash. The BI tool made by Techno Exponent isn't just crunching numbers. It's like the hotels playing the pricing game. It's all about looking at what's happening right now, the real stuff. And with all this info, hotel can just do some quick thinking. They are checking out how badly people are looking for rooms, what the rival hotels are charging, and how customers are behaving. And armed with all this info, they can juggle the prices on the fly, making sure that they are raking in the big bucks when it matters the most. The next point is promotion effectiveness, and it's a very crucial point as hotels pay a lot for their promos and ads. So our made BI tool digs into all the things and see how well the promos and ads are doing, which ones are really pulling the bookings and cash. It's like a playbook for hotels to tweak their game plan, figuring out what works best and bringing in the crowds. talking about checking out on how things roll in different places online, like travel agencies, direct bookings, you name it. Once you have got the lowdown on what's bringing in the big bucks, it's time to be smart with your resources. Put the money where the action is, and for the channels that are kinda slacking off. Well, it's time for a strategy shakeup to get the most bang for your buck. Our Made BI tool works as the backstage pass for the hotels. It helps to figure out where they can tighten the belt and work smarter. Once they have got the scoop on what needs the fixing, it's all about cutting the cost and making the things run smoother. It's like a game plan to save money and boost the bottom line. So our Made BI tool works as the guru for customer opinions, diving into all those customer reviews and feedback. It's the playbook for finding out where the hotels can step up its game for its services and facilities. Once they have the lowdown, it's all about providing the top-notch services to your guests. Our Made BI tool isn't just about here and now. It works like the crystal ball for the future. You plug it in for the long game. Figuring out what's coming down the pipeline. Once you have got the roadmap, it's your decision time. Should we expand, spruce things up, or maybe change our services? It's all about making those decisions and moves armed with the data scoop. So at last I can say that when hotels tap into BI, it's like having a secret weapon. They are not just winging it, they are making some smart moves. BI helps you to figure out what to do, fine tune how you can handle the money stuff, and just generally step up your game. It's like leveling up the whole business vibe. With Techno Exponent's BI-based service, you can level up your hotel business. We can discuss together like what problems you are facing, and we can plan and check out that how we can overcome those problems and can help you reach a new profit level and how you can beat your competitors. So let's have a talk.